If an app keeps running in the background, it can use your phone's battery, mobile data, and system resources even when you're not actively using it. Stopping unnecessary background apps can help improve performance and extend battery life. Here's how to do it step by step. Go to the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll through the Settings menu and tap Apps. On some devices, it may be called Apps and Notifications or Application Manager. Next, browse the list of installed apps and select the app you want to prevent from running in the background. This will open the app's information page where you can manage its settings. Tap Force Stop or Force Quit, depending on your device. A confirmation message may appear explaining that force stopping an app could cause it to behave unexpectedly. Tap OK to confirm. The selected app will immediately stop running until you open it again. If you want to further reduce the app's background activity, stay on the app information page and tap Battery. Look for the battery usage option and change it from Optimized to Restricted. This setting limits the app's ability to run in the background, helping conserve battery and reduce unnecessary resource usage. Keep in mind that restricting background activity may affect how the app works. Some apps may not update automatically, sync data in real time, or send notifications promptly. If you notice any issues, you can always return to the battery settings and switch the app back to optimized. That's all. You've successfully stopped background apps on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more helpful Android tutorials.